Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin. We all know this year we'll be talking about Terra Classic Bomb, and Binance has been also been supporting this coin massively. CZ have continued to post about Terra Classic coin. I believe with Binance, of course, Terra Classic is going to become one of the biggest coin this year. Now, over 901 billion coins of Terra Classic has been locked, has been staked. It's amazing to see. Most of this staking is coming from Binance, and I'm happy to see that Terra Classic holders are actually staking this coin, because that simply means there are people believe that this coin will definitely increase, this coin will definitely rise, and nobody wants to miss. So rather than selling off, so many people have now started staking their coin. And one important thing you need to understand about Terra Classic is that this coin is going to become one of the biggest coin of 2023, because if you take a look at last year's statistics, you discover that according to coin market cap for the period of about 6 months, Terra Classic dominated the coin market cap search. Among the top 10, you see almost every day Terra Classic was among the top 10, and most times from the first or the third most searched coin on coin market cap. And I believe that is going to continue this year, 2023. Now, over 901 billion coins of Terra Classic has been staked, and it's amazing to see this number has been taken out of Terra Classic coins. And I still believe, of course, the burning of this coin definitely going to also help Terra Classic to really increase in price. Although the truth is, Terra Classic have not been burning a lot. Even though with a 1.2% tax burn, Terra Classic is still burning below daily. Most times you see, on a day, Terra Classic burn like 14 million, and we're expecting this coin to burn between 300 million or 1 billion coins in a single day. But I believe this year is going to become one of the best year for Terra Classic coin. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.